Hey guys, welcome back to the Roy Works channel. Today is a pretty big day. Shane is getting his granite countertop installed, and Tracy and I are going to do some odds and ends while we wait here. We both took the day off. We had some vacation time, so we figured, you know what, let's go get a little bit of work done. Shane's at work, he has to work today, but I'm gonna just show you quick the process we went through to pick out the slabs. We went to this big warehouse that's in Haverhill, Mass, and we were able to pick up granite that Shane wanted. It was pretty cool place. But today I'm going to finish up, get some of the wiring done on the heating system, and Trace, like I said, is going to get some painting done. Most of the wiring is done because I don't think was going to make a good video. But I think it's kind of cool to see what's involved in the wiring. So I'm going to do a quick video on that, and I'll show you the process they go through setting those granite slabs. Picking out this granite was way harder than we thought it was going to be. We went in there thinking we were just going to pick out, we had a couple of choices to pick from. We thought it would all be just like a gloss finish, but we found out that there was leather finished, a satin finish, gloss finish, and then there was all different price points. You could go from stuff that was relatively cheap to like a medium grade, and then the exotics, which were crazy expensive, way above what Shane wanted to spend. And to me, they were actually kind of ugly. I mean, they were kind of cool to look at, but for a kitchen countertop, I don't know if I'd want that style. It's like way too crazy. So he decided to go with like a leather type finish because it's kind of like dull, but has a little bit of a gloss to it. I think he made a good choice. It was definitely tough. We spent the better half of the afternoon just walking through this place. It was as big as a football field. As you can see here, it was huge. And it was kind of cool, this trolley that would go above you and pick out different pieces of granite, and it would lift it like it was nothing, like it was a feather. But it was pretty cool. It was a good place to hang out and just walk through. The people were really friendly there, always asking you if you needed help and any information that you needed. There was way more information than I ever thought you would need to know about granite. The different types. There's quartz, there's granite, there's marble. It was pretty good. I'm glad we don't have to do it again, but unless Tracy ends up wanting to change our countertops, which could happen. You can see here this trolley lifting this piece of granite. It just pinches onto the granite, and the weight of the granite actually makes that thing pinch onto the granite. It's kind of cool how it works. So you can see here, just lifting that up. I would definitely recommend, if you were gonna pick out granite, to go through this company. They were really friendly. And their prices weren't outrageous either. I was kind of surprised to see how cheap granite is at this time. When Tracy and I were doing our house, granite was kind of a new thing, and it was probably triple what Shane paid for his.
Right. Yeah, I feel like this might be it. Don't you think? Do you think that's it?
I like it.
And again, the worst case is that we change the color of the cabinets. It's really a canopy. It's already got the lid.
Why, in the scheme of things,
Like that's what really is.
oh no, that's beautiful. But you think you could have a French. Had you already picked this one up? You should buy it.
I know when Dad and I were looking at it, this was definitely one of the ones I was looking at. I didn't take a picture of it.
So this is after they set the granite. There was so much going on, I wasn't able to get a good video of them actually setting the slabs. I didn't want to get in the way. but it came out pretty good. But this is the electrical I did while we were waiting. This is just a normal system. It's a 3-zone relay with an emergency switch and a plug at the top. The plug is for this light that I'm going to plug in there. You can see the 3 thermostats that come into that control. This boiler has a primary circulator which goes right into the boiler. It also has a plug there to plug the unit in and the switch. It's a pretty basic wiring setup. I was able to scavenge a lot of the parts off of this control board that I got from another boiler. You can see here we wired up the indirect water heater, and Shane piped off the piping for that water heater. But you can see here the granite countertop came out beautiful. This is a sink and a faucet Shane got on Facebook Marketplace, which worked out pretty well. The granite looks beautiful. They did a real good job. So this is going to be the end of the video. Which it wasn't much of a video on the processes, but I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop of what was going on in this project, and I will see you on the next video.